Let's explore capturing groups in regular expressions. We will learn how parentheses create capturing groups for extracting specific portions of text. Capturing groups are created using parentheses. These parentheses not only group regular expression patterns together, but also store the matched text for later retrieval and manipulation. So remember, parentheses both group and capture. Here's a basic example. Imagine we have a regular expression pattern with capturing groups. R followed by an opening parenthesis \d open curly brace, 4 close curly brace hyphen, opening parenthesis \d, open curly brace 2 close curly brace, hyphen, opening parenthesis \d, open curly brace 2 close curly brace, closing parenthesis. This pattern can be used to match a date format, year, month, and day. The text "Today is 2024-03-15" matches this pattern. The capturing groups will capture Group 1 2024, Group 203, and Group 315. Here's a visual representation of how capturing works. On the left, we have the pattern: opening parenthesis \d plus, closing parenthesis \period, opening parenthesis \d plus, closing parenthesis. This pattern is designed to capture numbers separated by a period. The arrow shows how the capturing groups extract specific portions of the matched text. On the right, we have the capturing groups. Group 0 is the full match. Group 1 the first \d plus. Group 2 the second \d plus. Now let's see how this can be implemented in Python. First, import the re module. Then use research with the pattern R opening parenthesis \w plus, closing parenthesis at the rate symbol opening parenthesis \w plus, \period, \w plus, closing parenthesis, and the string email, john@example.com. This will search for an email address in the given string. You can access the captured groups using match.group. Match.group0 will return the full match, john@example.com. Match.group1 will return the username John. Match.group2 will return the domain, example.com. It is important to understand the difference between capturing and non-capturing groups. On the left, a capturing group is represented by an opening and closing parenthesis. It groups and captures text for later use. On the right, a non-capturing group is represented by an opening parenthesis, (:), and closing parenthesis. This only groups the text, it does not capture it for later use. Now let's explore named capturing groups. The syntax is opening parenthesis, capital P, less than sign, name greater than sign, pattern, closing parenthesis. Here is an example. Pattern equals R opening parenthesis, capital P, less than sign, username greater than sign, \w plus, closing parenthesis at the rate symbol opening parenthesis, capital P, less than sign, domain greater than sign, \w plus, \period, \w plus, closing parenthesis. This pattern assigns the name username to the first group and domain to the second group. Then use research to find the pattern in the string. Contact alice@company.com. Access the captured groups by name instead of number. Match.group username will return Alice. Match.group domain will return company.com. Here are the key takeaways. First, parentheses equal capture. Use opening and closing parentheses to group and capture text for extraction. Second, use named groups. Use opening parenthesis, capital P, less than sign, name, greater than sign, closing parenthesis, for readable and maintainable code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.